my dear students. Hope that all of you are fine. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. This is Ghulam Mustafa, lecturer, Department of Mathematics of Milestone College. Today I am going to discuss General Mathematics, exercise 3.3 and 3.4. That is part of factorization of algebraic expression. Here see that I have written essential formula of factorization. Hope all of you are know about this formula. See that a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. We know the factor formula. A cube plus b cube equal a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube equal a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. See that if we multiply two factor like that, a cube plus 1 by a cube into a square plus 1 by a square, by simple calculation we can get a cube into a square, that means e to the power 5. A cube into 1 by a square, that means a. Then second term, 1 by a cube into a square equals to 1 by a. 1 by a cube into 1 by a square, 1 by e to the power 5 equal, then by rearranging e to the power 5 plus 1 by e to the power 5. Okay, then plus this two term a plus 1 by a by closing first bracket. If we transfer by closing by first bracket in left hand side, this sign will be changed. Here see that, then we can write it a cube plus 1 by a cube, a square plus 1 by a square minus a plus 1 by a equal e to the power 5 plus 1 by e to the power 5. We can use this as a formula to solve mathematical problem. So we can write e to the power 5 plus 1 by e to the power 5 equal this term. Okay. Then again if we multiply this two factor like that, a cube plus 1 by a cube into a square minus 1 by a square equal a cube into a square, that means e to the power 5. Then a cube into 1 minus 1 by a square, that means minus a. Then 1 by a cube into a square, so plus 1 by a. Then 1 by a cube into minus 1 by a square, that means minus 1 by e to the power 5. Then by rearranging we can write e to the power 5 minus 1 by e to the power 5. Then this two term minus a plus 1 by a. Okay, from this two term we can get common term minus 1. Then we can write a minus 1 by a by closing first bracket. Then if we transfer the closing bracket in left hand side, the sign will be changed. So we can rearrange it according this: a cube plus 1 by a cube into a square minus 1 by a square plus a minus 1 by a equal e to the power 5 minus 1 by e to the power 5. We can use this as a formula to solve mathematical problem. Okay, now we solve different type of mathematical problem of this chapter 3.3 and 3.4. Follow me. 3.3 question number 3. Okay, the question is e to the power 4 minus 27a square plus 1. Okay, so we can write e to the power 4 as a square square, then 1 as 1 square. Okay, to use a square, a minus b whole square, here imagine this is a and this one is b, so a square minus 2a b plus b square. Okay, but in previous line see that the term is minus 27a square, but we got here minus 2a square, so we need extra minus 25a square. To balance we write here minus 25a square. Okay, the next line, see that this is the formula of a minus b whole square. So here a, this one a square and b is 1, so a minus b whole square. Then we can write 25a square as 5a whole square. So you now imagine as this is a and this is b. So a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, now a plus b into a minus b. By rearranging, we can write a square plus 5a minus 1 and a square minus 5a minus 1. This is answer. Okay, question number 12. The question is a to the power 8 minus a to the power 4 minus 2. Okay, by using middle term, simple middle term. Here see that a to the power 8, the coefficient is 1 and constant term is 2. So 2 into 1, that means 2. If 2 a to the power 4 minus a to the power 4, 2 a to the power 4 minus a to the power 4, we get a to the power 4. But here sign is minus a to the power 4. So we need to the sign, this is minus and this is plus. So we get minus a to the power 4. Clear? Okay. Now rearrange this a to the power 8 minus 2 a to the power 4 plus a to the power 4 minus 2. Now from first two term, common a to the power 4. So here a to the power 4, then minus 2 for second term. Then again plus, from both next two term common 1. So here a to the power 4 minus 2. Clear? Then common factor is here a to the power 4 minus 2 and a to the power 4 minus 2 from both two term. So a to the power 4 minus 2 and a to the power 4 minus 2 common. Then here rest are a to the power 4 plus 1. This is answer. 3.4, question number 10. The question is x cube minus x minus 24. If we do not able to find the factor by using middle term, we have to follow this process. Okay, the expression is for variable x, so let us consider f of x equal x cube minus x minus 24. At first we have to identify for which value the expression will be 0. Okay, if put x equal to 3, then the value is 0. But where you can easily find the value for which value the expression will be 0 by using calculator. See that. At first type the expression in calculator. Okay, as like that, and press the key of calc, C-A-L-C, calc, under the shift key. Okay, press, then x is question mark. Now for what value? Now we can put different value for of x. Now put value of x equal to minus 24. Okay, that means we have to find the 0, value 0. Then again calc, press calc, x equal to 3, put the value 3, then equal 0. That means for value x equal to 3, the expression will be 0. Okay, now hence see that if x equal to 3, the value is 0, then hence x minus 3 is a factor of f of x. Okay, now see the technique. Again write f of x is this expression and skip second line. In third line write the factor x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3 3 times, because here in this expression the highest power is 3. Okay, according to power we have to write this factor. Okay, 3 times, right, 3 times. Now to get x cube we have to multiply in first factor x square. Is it? Okay, x square into x, that means x cube. Now x square into 3, that means minus 3x square. But in first line there has no x square term, so for balance we have to plus 3x square. Okay, now again to get 3x square term in second factor we have to multiply plus 3x, that means 3x into x, that means 3x square. Then 3 into minus 3, that means minus 9x. But here x is only minus x, so to balance here we have to write plus 8x, minus 9x and plus 8x, that means minus x. To get 8x in last factor we have to multiply 8. So 8 into x, 8x minus 3 into 8, that means 24. Clear? Now common factor x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3. Write the common factor x minus 3. Then rest term are x square plus 3x plus 8. This is the answer. Clear? Okay. Question number 12. 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x minus 2. Okay, let us consider f of x equal this expression. Okay, now find the value for which value the expression will be 0. See that by using calculator. So f of 2, for the value of x equal to 2, the expression will be 0. Okay, since f of x becomes 0 for x equal to 2, that means x minus 2 is a factor of this expression. Okay, now to find the factor, see the calculation. So f of x equal to this expression. Okay, then in third line, skip second line, did third line, x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2. How times we have written, right? 4 times, because the highest power x to the power 4. So 4 times, x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2. Then x minus 2 and first term is 2x to the power 4. So to find 2x to the power 4, we have to multiply 2x cube. 2x cube into x, 2x to the power 4. 2x cube minus 2, that means 4x cube. Okay, but here minus 3x cube. So we need plus x cube, right? Plus x cube. At first balance, then calculation. So plus x cube. So to find x cube, we have to multiply x square into x, x cube. Then minus 2x square. Okay, 2x square. But in this expression here, no x square term. So we have to vanish 2x square. So plus 2x, right? Plus 2x square. Then vanish. Minus 2x square plus 2x square. Then in next factor, multiply 2x to find 2x square. So 2x into x, 2x square, then minus 4x. Clear? But here minus 3x. So we need plus x. Okay? In next factor, multiply 1 into x, that means x, then minus 2. Okay? Balanced. Clear? So common factor is x minus 2. X minus 2. Then rest term are 2x cube, x square plus 2x, then plus 1. Okay? See the next calculation. Okay, so x minus 2, 2x cube x square. We can common here x square. So common part term x square for both first two term. So rest are 2x minus 1. Again in here plus 1, common plus 1, 2x plus 1. If you common for next two term 1, then rest are 2x plus 1. Clear? Okay, then x minus 2, and in that common term 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 for both two term. So we can factor, common factor 2x plus 1, then rest are x square plus 1. This is answer. Clear? Now we will solve this CQ. See that question, the CQ, if x square minus 3 equal to root 2, okay, then first one, resolve into factors, okay, a to the power 4 plus a square plus 1, then V, find the value of x to the power 4 minus 1 by x to the power 4, then prove that x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5 equal 58 root 2, okay, then first one question is a to the power 4 plus a square plus 1, resolve into factors, okay, so we can write a to the power 4 as a square is square. Okay, imagine this is a and imagine 1 is b, that means 1 is square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, rearrange to get square formula. Okay, then but first term, second in first line second term is a square. So to balance here 2a square, then we need to balance minus a square. Okay, so this is the formula of a plus b whole square. So here a is a square and b is 1. So a square plus 1 is square minus a square. So imagine this is a and this is b. So a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. This is factor formula. Okay. So by rearranging a square plus a plus 1, a square minus a plus 1. This is answer. Clear? Okay. B. Find the value of x to the power 4 minus 1 by x to the power 4. Given x square minus 3 equal to root 2. So x square equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. Imagine root 2 as a and 1 as v. So you can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. I hope everybody know this process. Okay, then root 2 plus 1 whole square, x square is square vanish, then x equal to root 2 plus 1. So 1 by x equal to root 2 minus 1. Everybody know the process how to find 1 by x. Okay, then we need the value x plus 1 by x and x minus 1 by x to find the value of x to the power 4 minus 1 by x to the power 4. So just we have to plus this two term x plus 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x equal to 2 root 2 and x minus 1 by x equals to 2. Okay, then next calculation, we have to find the value x to the power 4 minus 1 by x to the power 4. Okay, now x to the power 4 minus 1 by x to the power 4 we can write as x square minus 1 by x square whole square. Imagine this is a and this is b, that means a square minus b square. The factor formula is a plus b into a minus b. Here a is x square and b is 1 by x square. So a plus b into a minus b. Here for this the formula is x plus 1 by x square minus 2x into 1 by x, and this is factor formula x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. Okay, now again putting the value of x plus 1 by x. Okay, x plus 1 by x value is 2 root 2 and x finish minus 2. Okay, again x plus 1 by x 2 root 2 and x minus 1 by x 2. Clear? Then 2 root 2 square, that means 8 minus 2, 8 minus 2, 2 into root 2, then into 2 equals 2 by calculation. 8 minus 2, that means 6, 6 into 2, 12 root 2 into 2, 24 root 2. This is answer. Now see, prove that x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5 equal to 58 root 2. Okay, we know the rearrangement of factor of x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5 equals to this: x cube plus 1 by x cube into x square plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1 by x. I have discussed in first page about this. Okay, now from B we have x plus 1 by x equal to 2 root 2. Then at first we identify the value of this, and this, and then putting here. Okay, now x cube plus 1 by x cube, we know the formula: x plus 1 by x cube minus 3x into 1 by x into x plus 1 by x. Okay, now putting the value of x plus 1 by x and calculation, find 10 root 2. Okay, then x square plus 1 by x square, x plus 1 by x square minus 2x into 1 by x. Okay, putting the value of x plus 1 by x, 2 root 2 square minus 2, that means 6. Now putting this value in here. Okay, now putting the value of this part in here: x cube plus 1 by x cube, we got 10 root 2, x square plus 1 by x square is 6, and x plus 1 by x is 2 root 2. Okay, now 10 root 2 into 6, that means 60 root 2 and minus 2 root 2. So we got 58 root 2. Clear? This is answer. Proved. Dear students, if you face any difficulty in this lecture, you may ask me question anytime. Homework will be Select Board 17, question number 2. You have to submit before next class. Stay home and stay safe.